Hi guys, I'm back with another car. Guess which one? Okay, I'll tell you quickly. This is a Jazz 1.2, naturally aspirated. Oh, nice. Okay, this is a Honda 1.2, naturally aspirated, and it's a iVTEC. You know, few things I love about this car. I love the engine. Yes, it's a 1.2, but it's better than any 1.2 out there. It's a 4-cylinder iVTEC. Hang on, let me wear the seatbelt. It has a beautiful ride quality. It has a lot of space in the back. I guess they discontinued this car. I don't know why. I mean, Honda doesn't sell as numbers as they would like to, but okay. But yeah, I mean, this is one of the most reliable engines or car makers in the world, Honda. I love these gears. It has small throws. And this one red lines at around 7,000 RPM. You know, when iVTEC kicks in. I don't know, I mean, I don't have the numbers in front of me. I've driven this car. This is owned by my friend. It's a top-end iVTEC Honda Jazz 1.2 petrol. A petrol is a petrol. Now, in a naturally aspirated engine, when you are going above 5,000, 6,000 RPM, everything flies by. And if you're driving a Honda, it redlines at around 7,200 maybe. That's why people say, oh, iVTEC kicks in, yo. iVTEC is a iVTEC. Can I rev it here? Let me see if I can. Okay, first gear. Yeah, that sound, man. Oh, wow! Honda engines just feel punchy. You know, take Toyota, take Maruti Suzuki, you know, both are Japanese, you know, same engineering kind of, reliable. But, you know, Honda just gives you that, you know, extra 200, 300 RPM in the end. Wow, that's beautiful. Honda has made like beautiful cars. I remember a few. There used to be a Accord, Civic. I mean, they don't bring the turbo versions or the sport versions here. Honda City, you know, when you think about a car back in 2000s and all, so all you would think about was like Honda City. I don't know what has happened to Honda, but yeah, I mean, their branding, their marketing, their expertise, what can you say? I'm a digital marketer. I mean, I cannot approach them and tell them, yo, do this. They have their own. They spend what, millions in R&D and stuff, so they know things better. It's just I personally love Honda. It's a small compact car, but it has ample space. I mean, if you sit in the rear end, you will feel like you're sitting in a Honda City. That is the amount of space it has. AC, I mean, it's a 5-year-old car. AC is a little bit weak, if we think about, you know, on those terms. What else? Suspension and all. Yeah, I mean, Honda has always had a, you know, good quality stuff. People don't complain. I don't want to complain about anything this car has or doesn't. I mean, at a price range at this was 9-10 lakhs, it has everything. Today cars are costlier. go in a Honda. छोटी गलियों पे यार भगा नहीं पाता इंसान, बट होंडा का मजा है यार। सेकंड थर्ड गियर में रख लो यार, फिर मजा आता है। वाओ, इट जस्ट क्रूजेस। आई लव द नॉइज। 5,500 RPM, speed of 70, 80. I mean, I've taken it to 80, 85 in the second gear. That is how punchy the engine is. I mean, like I said, you need to understand, you need to learn to drive a naturally aspirated and take performance out of it. Just slot it in one gear, take it to 5,000-6,000 RPM, do a rolling drag race with any turbo of this engine capacity. 1.0 turbo and take a 1.2 naturally aspirated and do a drag race by rolling at what speed of 30. You can do it, man. The natural engine gives you that much power. There are a few things that I like about things about this car. You can keep your cold drink or whatever here, and this AC vent cools it down. I don't like this. You need to have buttons here. AC का वही है, बटन चाहिए भैया, ऐसे समझ नहीं आता है। I mean, मसल मेमोरी भी होगी ना, देखना है कि दबाना है। You should have a knob or a few buttons. This is okay. It has a Chinto Minto sunroof which opens like this. What else? It doesn't have a glove box cooler. Okay, you can close them down. That's good. It's 36 degrees. Wow. It returns a mileage of 15.2 in a petrol. Okay, nice. That's probably it. This was... Oh, maybe I have to show you how it looks from the outside as well. Just give me a quick moment. Okay, this is how it looks from the outside. अच्छा खासा क्रोम है। पर्सनली आई डोंट लाइक इट। मैं ब्लैकआउट कर लेता ऑन द क्रोम। This is the back end. Okay, thanks guys. Until next time. Bye bye.